our expectation is they will allow us visit. They will give us permission to visit the former president. And the other one is we hope that they will allow our request to move the initial appearance.
Ayon po sa ICC,
Pero tawag siya, itong kanila yung
Action po kayo ng email para makapasok sa mga sa loob.
may tanong lang ako. Ano bang assistance ng